Hey y'all, I hope y'all can see the food. I hope y'all can see the food. Plus, I'm gonna put it in the thumbnail, guys. Okay? Just got it. Hurry up and eat it. Boy, get. Yes. Y'all. Oh, thank you, love, for food. I'm about to see whose name I put it now. Y'all, my food be so good. Eat them eggs. Delicious. Oh, y'all. I ain't want to do no mukbang. I want to go in the room and eat it. I just want to go in the room and eat it, y'all. But I say I'll do a little quick mukbang. So, mmm. 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 Y'all, let me tell you. My son just got mad at me, right? Because he came out of the room, smelled my food cooking, and he thought I made him some. I said, why? I said, you got food in the microwave. I mean, you got food in the toaster oven. Toaster oven had food in it. I throw it away. I played out the microwave. I paper plate out the microwave last night. So, you know how I feel about that. I won't cook for. Y'all don't see my videos. If you watch me, you know how I feel about not eating my food. I won't cook for 3 days around here. He's like, what I ain't eat? And then looking at toaster oven. It was hot. Don't pick and choose what you're gonna eat. Eat whatever I cook. Don't pick and choose what you're gonna eat. So that means you picky. That means you're picky. I don't cook for picky people. All my food is good. And all my food need to be ate, not put in no microwave. Eat it all. He mad. Y'all seen him? Y'all seen him? He mad. You know I don't play about my food. I don't play about my food. You gonna eat my food. If you don't, watch how I get you. You gonna wish you did eat it. I make him wish you did eat it. I said, when I seen that food in the microwave, I said, okay. All right, Picky. All right, Mr. Picky. All right, Mr. Picky. I got you. That's the tilapia fish with the onion and bell pepper. Mmm. 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 Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I told him, bye. When I cook, you're gonna eat it. Because if you don't, it's gonna be the worst thing you ever did. Like, he don't know that. Unless he think popping now, you know I know. I'm gonna open up my microwave. I'm gonna open. What I didn't eat. What I didn't eat. It's food in the toaster oven right now. Food in the toaster oven right now. That I cook. Don't play with me. Y'all heard me say plenty of times. I gotta eat all the leftovers and all the baked chicken and all the macaroni and cheese and all that because somebody don't like to eat leftovers. But then when I cook like this, huh? No. I forgot to show you that shrimp, y'all. Let me show you one with some bell pepper and onion on it. He mad. I couldn't even wait. I'm gonna have to run both of them together. Cause usually I do the video of cooking it first, and then I come back and do the mukbang. But I can't let my fish get cold. So I ain't have time to upload the cooking it. I ain't have time to upload it. And I ain't want my fish to get cold. Ooh. I just had to put that onion and bell pepper on there, y'all. So, for y'all ones that like to see my mukbangs and my cooking shows, today was for you. Today was for you. Try it, girl. Try it. You gotta eat my food, y'all. I said, you know how many niggas, you know how many people wish they had somebody around in the household that wish their wives and girlfriends, mamas, cook like me? Do you know how many people wish that they had me to cook for them? And you around here being picky? Can't eat leftovers? Well, you just don't know. That's why I do them like I do. Cook collard greens and all that. You can't eat leftovers. What, boo? What, bye? I be like, well, see how long it take for me to cook again. I can't eat leftovers like that. I get tired of it. Oh, okay. Okay, you get tired of leftovers. Now you see how good I cook real good. He know I do. But he can't eat leftovers. That nigga got mad when he saw this. He got mad when he saw he ain't have none of this. Too much food laying around here you ain't eating. Too much food laying around this house that you're not eating. Made pancakes this morning. He did. I go in the room. I see pancakes in the room. And he laying down on the phone. I'm like, you make pancakes and then eat them? I did eat half of them. I'm like, okay. I said, all right. I didn't feel like going now because you already know we've been having this problem ever since you was a little child. And we still having it. Boy, you just don't know. Your girlfriend or your wife sure ain't gonna cook like this. She might. She might. But I doubt it. Too many people don't cook like me now. And I ain't saying I'm the best cook in the world. I ain't saying that. But I ain't nothing to be messed up with. Okay? I ain't nothing to be messed up with. Okay? There's just certain things people can do, and certain things they can't. And one thing that I know I can do is cook. Cook. Y'all, I ate that so fast. I got 3 shrimps left, a cone of eggs, and a half of tilapia. I had 3 tilapias. I mean, 3 tilapias. Y'all saw me 3 tilapias. I had 3 tilapias, 4 eggs, and 7 shrimps. I got 3 shrimps there. Look like 1 egg and a half of tilapia. So y'all, I don't know where. I'm gonna see where I'm at. Well, anyway, I'm gonna do 15 minutes, so I guess I could eat some more. Y'all. I can't wait to go back in the video. I can't wait to go back to my cooking video, see how mad he was. I was like, bro, I'm not gonna argue with you when I'm doing my video. I'll argue with you later, but not right now. Get it going. Get it goes. So y'all think I don't play, y'all. I do anybody that come at me, I don't give a damn if you my child, not my mama now. But anybody besides my mama, get me wrong, get my timing wrong, they gonna get the business. They gonna get the business. I don't care who it is and where I'm at. Cause he was just finna get the business. He was just finna get the business. That's how I tell you I'm not no fake, phony, flawed person. I'm not no fake, phony, flawed person. Because if I was, that wouldn't even look like what you just saw in the cooking show. It wouldn't even look like that. And I shut it down real quick because you don't want me to get stupid. While you hear them say nothing else. You don't want me to get stupid now. You see me on my video now. You gonna keep talking? I was waiting on him to say one more word. I was gonna snap. So that's why I tell y'all, I don't mean just don't come at me. Don't F with me. Don't try me. Y'all just saw that in the cooking show. Y'all saw me, I was chilling. You came in the kitchen and got an attitude because you ain't had no food. And it's a reason for everything I do. Like I said in the video before that, it's the reason for everything I do. What I'm gonna cook for you for? You got food laying around this house that you ain't eating. You ain't no king in this kitchen. I ain't finna be cooking for you and you don't eat. Just eat when you want to eat it. So I know most of y'all know that I'm real and I don't play. I know most of y'all know, but I'm a good person. If y'all see, I just go from 0 to 100 real quick. I don't care who he is. That's just me. Y'all saw me chilling in the kitchen cooking my food, cooking my food. Y'all saw that. I be chilling. People come at me and try me, and I'm not gonna let that happen. Nobody. Everybody get that. Everybody get that side of me if they try me. Anybody, everybody. Just not my mama. Anybody else? I'm with the business. Here's and now. That's why I say I be trying to show the best parts of me. That's why I say I be trying to show the best parts of me, because I got a whole lot of good ways. Got a whole lot of bad ways. So I want my videos to be the best part of me. Like I told you, even though I know they're not going to always be like that, just like the video before this, I almost did it. But you had to see me get stupid a little bit. Because how people do. So that's why my channel is more positive. I want it to be more positive because I can make it wretched real easy. I can make it wretched real easy. But I don't choose to do that. So I know y'all gonna see the little wretchedness come out sometimes when it's forced out. When it's forced out my hands. But we all know that Kel is not really trying to show that part of her. How many of y'all believe me when I say I do not be trying to show that part of me? I be trying to show the more positive side, the more good side of me, you know. So I hope y'all believe that, because that is true. And I do apologize for the little hiccup in the cooking show. But anyway, it's me and I love y'all.